How to change your Outlook password. What's up everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how you can easily change the password of your Outlook account. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. The very first step you need to do is log into your Outlook account. And once you get to your Outlook, just click on your profile at the top right corner. Once you get to your profile, just tap on it and click on My Microsoft account. And it will directly take you to your Microsoft account on another tab. Once you get to your account, you are just going to click on the Security tab on the left side of your screen. And once you find your Security tab here, you're just going to enter your password for verification. So once you have entered your password, you can click on Sign In. And right now it's showing too many requests because the server is receiving too many requests, and those number of requests are more than it can handle. But if it allows you to get to your Security tab, you will find the Change Password tab right there. And you can easily change your password from there once you have entered your password, or you can just click right here to get to your Security tab and enter your password to change your and set your new password. That's pretty much it. If you found this helpful, I'll see you guys on the next one.